Why do you seem so scared? All I wanted to do was play with you. I am right behind you.
Welcome to another episode of the Creepy Fives, where this week we take a look at more creepy things that have been caught on doorbells. If you enjoy the content, then please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so that you always stay informed. Let's get to it. At number 5, we see someone who apparently is carrying a knife, walking up to someone's front door. He's captured on their Ring doorbell camera. What happens next? Maybe we'll never know. At number 4, we see someone acting rather strangely. She approaches the front door, captured by the motion sensor on the Ring doorbell. As she's waiting, she decides to bite the doorbell. What do you make of this? Let me know in the comments. At number 3, we see some bizarre footage of a Ring doorbell that's been activated by motion in the backyard. What looks like a shooting star falls to the ground, shortly followed by a misty cloud that starts moving around. Is it a ghost? Who knows? In the next clip, we see a motion sensor that's been activated by what looks like an orange orb, moving around in front of the camera on the porch. Is this a ghost or something else? Finally at number 1, someone's doorbell camera captures a person acting very strangely. I'm only showing a small clip of the video. The total length's 8 minutes. And for all that time, this lady is walking along the hallway, placing pieces of paper neatly on the ground. I wonder what the homeowner made of this. Not the kind of person you'd feel safe challenging by opening the door and asking what she's doing. She could very well turn around and attack you. That wraps it up for another video. If you enjoyed, please show some support by subscribing to the channel. I hope you enjoyed this, stay safe, and I'll catch you in the next one.
Dr. Frightscares. The Creepy Fives. Welcome to the weekly series, the Creepy Fives. Terrifying stories make you run and hide, leave you mystified, got your eyes open wide. Dr. Frightscares about to take you for a ride. Yeah. Dr. Frightscares about to take you for a ride.